So what would you like done to your hair today?
When was your last shampoo? Okay, let's go get shampooed.
Hi, my name's Delisha Cartwright. I'm the cosmetology instructor here at Chilton ISD. Dr. Hubbard gave me the opportunity to be able to come and open up the cosmetology program. We've been able to open our brand new lab, named it Crown and Certified. You will go in and learn the written and practical skills in the lab. Once you reach 900 hours, you're able to take your written exam, and after you pass that, you will take your practical.
With my cosmetology license, I want to own my own nail salon.
Once you graduate, you'll be certified with 1,000 hours and you'll have your certificate once you graduate. I encourage you to come and be a part of a great program that we just newly opened, Crown and Certified. If you have a passion for hair, skin, and nails, our cosmetology program is the place you want to be. If you would like to be a part of something great, come and join Crown and Certified.
1,000 hours, then you graduate. Ayy, ayy, ayy. Ms. Muffin got them right and out the country. Ayy. All in the salon, reppin' Lil' Chilton. 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 Ayy. All in the salon,